Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Titan Reviews, where we dive into the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Today, we'll be focusing on something that has the entire drone community buzzing with excitement, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This drone is set to redefine aerial photography with its groundbreaking features and high-tech performance. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, an enthusiast, or a beginner, the DJI Mini 5 Pro promises something for everyone. With its anticipated release in September 2024, let's break down all the exciting rumors, features, and what this drone might mean for the future of aerial videography. One of the most talked about features of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its cutting-edge camera system. As drones evolve, so do their camera capabilities, and the Mini 5 Pro is no exception. It boasts a high-performance 1-inch CMOS sensor that enables users to capture 4K video at 60 frames per second, FPS. One of the standout features of the Mini 5 Pro's camera is its ability to perform well in low-light conditions. Many drones struggle to capture clear, crisp images in dim settings, but the enhanced sensor on this model addresses that issue. This opens up new possibilities for nighttime photography or dawn and dusk shoots. One of the most innovative additions to the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its built-in 8GB of internal storage. This is a game-changer for drone users who have traditionally relied on external microSD cards to store their footage. One of the defining factors of any drone is its flight time, and the DJI Mini 5 Pro delivers big in this area. With an extended flight time of up to 40 minutes on a single charge, this drone offers a significant improvement over its predecessors and many of its competitors. The extended flight time is due, in large part, to improved battery technology. DJI has upgraded the battery system in the Mini 5 Pro, making it more efficient and longer lasting. The drone's lightweight design also helps reduce the load on the battery, ensuring optimal performance during flights. Safety is a top priority when it comes to flying drones, and DJI is known for pushing the envelope with their obstacle avoidance technology. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature an enhanced obstacle avoidance system with omnidirectional sensors that help prevent collisions from all angles. DJI Mini 5 Pro remains lightweight and compact, making it an ideal choice for travelers, vloggers, and anyone on the go. Its foldable design means it can easily fit into a backpack, making it highly portable without sacrificing performance. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated drone releases of 2024. With its powerful camera, enhanced flight time, internal storage, and cutting-edge safety features, it's clear that DJI is setting a new standard for consumer drones. Stay tuned for more updates as we approach the release date in September 2024, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.